Alright everybody, and we are back in. So once again, I hope you enjoyed that real quick unboxing and presentation of this case and screen protector combo right here. This is another case and screen protector combo for the Moto G Power. So this is the Teayoha case and screen protector combo for the Moto G Power. Alright, so I shot that real quick unboxing presentation there, and now this is the first impressions. So let's talk about this real quick. Now, I have to say I really do like the way this case looks. I'm a big fan of this style of case. If you don't know, for all of the devices that I tend to keep for long periods of time, I get this style of case. I've gotten this style of case for a bunch of devices. The G7, the G7 Power, the my Pixel 2 XL, and now for the G Power. So this is kind of your faux carbon fiber at the top and the bottom with a nice grippy suede material in the middle. And you can see it looks absolutely stunning, and we have all of our appropriate cutouts here. So cutouts for the fingerprint sensor, which has a nice indentation on it and works perfectly. Okay, cutouts for the camera module, giving it a nice raised lip so I could drop it down, not have to worry about it getting scratched up, no problems whatsoever. We got fully protected power buttons and volume rockers, and it's still super clicky. I don't know how well y'all can hear that, but the buttons are still super clicky here, even though they're fully protected. So really nice stuff here. Got the appropriate cutouts for one of our stereo speakers, USB Type-C, and our 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as our secondary microphone right there. And then we got cutouts for our other microphone at the top. Really good stuff there. Other than that, everywhere else is clean. Super clean. And you can see for the front of the device, we got a nice raised lip. And this is extremely screen protector friendly, and I do have a screen protector on it right now, as you can see. Okay, kind of lifted a little bit when I put it on, but it should work no problem. Alright, but you can see that there, and then with it lit up, super functional, no issues. Alright, so first impressions of the Teayoha case for the G Power and its accompanying screen protector are really good. Now, one thing that I'm not liking is that this case might be a little bit too tight on the device, because you see it's kind of making the screen protector lift, and it wasn't really making the other case that I got wasn't really making the screen protector lift. So Teayoha, I don't know what that is, yo. This was the screen protector that came with your case. It should work perfectly. So I kind of wish they kind of fixed that. But other than that, first impressions of the case are really good, and I am a big fan of this style of case, as I said. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this one, okay? So that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Teayoha case and tempered glass screen protector for the Moto G Power. Now, my full review for this one should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all stay tuned for that. And as always, if you guys and gals liked and or found the video helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And as always, if your interest is piqued, all the links to where y'all can pick up any and everything that I featured in this video will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, and this was recorded in 4K resolution at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. All feedback, as always, is appreciated. Just make sure you keep it respectful, please. All right? So, yeah, man. Yeah, I'll catch you guys and gals in my next video. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And we are out of here. Peace.